What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. My name's Tyler.
My name's Christina.
And today we're going to be opening up a brand new product we just got our hands on. Some Japanese Matchless Fighters Pokemon booster box. I forget how many packs comes in this, but there are 5 cards in each pack. We're really looking to get something awesome from it. So the Golden Snorlax obviously is the #1 chase card, and our #2 is the Galarian Full Art Moltres. That looks like the crescent wings. And any of their other birds, really, I would like to get my hands on.
Yeah, I mean, I'm excited for the Zapdos as well.
The Zapdos, the one running up the cliff?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really cool card. So yeah, before we get started, I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of a giveaway going on in this channel right now. So at 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a little bit of product. 1 Topps 2020 hanger box, 1 Panini Contenders cello pack, and 2 Vivid Voltage booster packs to 1 lucky subscribers. So make sure you go down to the section below and hit that subscribe button to be a part of that.
Woo!
And also don't forget to smash that like button for the algorithm. That would help out a lot. So are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
So real quick, before we get the packs out, do you want to flip or do you want to open the box first?
Open the box.
Open the box first. Okay, here we go. So we got our Skizzers. Let's go ahead and...
Is that how you pronounce scissors?
Skizzers. To each their own, right? Here we go. That's sliced right open. Would you like to do the honors?
Sure, I'll split it open for you.
There you go.
All right.
Cool. I mean, you just took the stuff off, but all right. There we go. Okay, I don't know what these are. Little
Oh, it's like
promo things.
Okay,
I guess those just come off. Awesome. Cool.
All right,
so we have 5 cards per pack.
My side, your side.
Perfect. We can do it just like that. That's fine. And we have to flip to see who goes first. So make sure you get it on camera this time, all right?
No cheating.
Heads is you, tails is me.
All right, down.
There we go. I'm first. Twice in a row now.
I just saw
Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Cool. So let's grab our packs out here.
15.
15 packs each, 5 cards each, 150 cards total.
150 cards total. Can we pull it? I think we can.
I believe.
Belief. Oh.
All right, let's get to it. First pack, Magic. Here we go. We got a lot to go through, so. There we go. Okay. These actually aren't that hard.
Okay.
I want to make sure that I'm doing this right. Okay. So here we go. And then it's 1 card.
Okay.
I think. Okay. So a little bit of forewarning here before we actually get super started. We don't know the names of a lot of these Pokemon. You know, we're kind of new to this, and these are in Japanese. I don't speak Japanese, so I'm probably not going to be able to name off majority of these, except for maybe the secret rares, because I've been studying those.
Yeah, same.
Same, okay. Here we go. First pack Magic. Let's go. Centipede looking thing. Farfetch'd. Not sure what that is. And we got a holo. That's the cloud guy.
That's the Thundurus.
Thundurus. There we go. Holo Thundurus. Awesome. Good first card. Doggy. Not a doggy. Whoop. Whoop. We have a V card. Articuno! Galarian Articuno. Let's go!
Look at that. Ooh, it's pretty and it's blue and purple.
Awesome. I love it.
Cute. Okay. Carniva.
Clefairy?
It looks like a donut. Ooh. Hello at your girl. Rapid Strike.
Next pack. Let's go. That was your first hit.
Yeah, that was my first hit.
There we go. Put it in a different pile, would you?
Okay.
All right.
Swoobat.
Swoobat. Carvana. Is it Carvana? I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rapid Strike.
Something. We got a Blazing Kid VMAX!
Yeah. Sorry.
What the heck was that?
Rapid Strike too.
Awesome. Our first VMAX of the video. Let's go.
Why do you keep getting the VMAX?
I got all the hits.
Something.
Birdie.
Oh! I gotta pull. Sorry.
VMAX.
Woo! VMAX.
At this point, I'm a V card ahead of you. Something. Birdie. Tentacle. Hollow.
Ooh.
Something.
Looks like a little lizard. Something. Woobat.
Birdie. Oh! Moltres V. Let's go.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Galarian Moltres.
What? Look at me go.
So we've gotten the Galarian Moltres and the Galarian Articuno so far.
Can we compare the arts real quick on those?
Sure, yeah.
While I
didn't even top load mine. So we got, this is the Galarian Articuno. That's the Galarian Moltres. They're both really cool looking cards.
They're beautiful cards.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's keep the streak going. So far, good box. I can say this has been a pretty good box so far.
All right.
Kakuna. That's the coolest Kakuna
I
art.
think that's legit.
Family friendly channel. Far-fetched. And we got another hollow. I don't know what that is, but we got a hollow.
All right.
Come on. Oh my god, don't ruin the corners now.
Bro, I got it. Sometimes it just takes a little bit more finesse.
A little bit more.
Something.
Pretty.
Lantern.
That's lantern. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, we got it twice.
We got two of them.
Yeah.
We got two of them.
Duplicate.
Let's go. We got what, 5 packs left each?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're getting down there. We're 2/3 of the way done.
All right.
Ooh, haven't seen that one yet. That's a cool looking, like, that looks like something from biology class. Okay. This.
Meltan.
Ekans.
Yeah.
Oh, Moltres V, let's go!
Wait, look at the different
We got
art.
all of the Galarian birds.
That's Jolteon. You said Moltres.
Oh, sorry, Jolteon, my
That's
bad. No,
Jolteon.
it's Zapdos.
Oh, Zapdos.
Zapdos.
Wait, Jolteon is like the water EV. Dirt.
Close, one's a dog, one's a bird. Close
Yeah.
enough. All right.
All right.
So we got
Jolteon.
no. What?
Zapdos.
Galarian Zapdos. So we finished the set. We got the Galarian V card of all 3 birds. Now we just need the full art.
All right, we have all 3 birds right here. We have the Moltres, the Zapdos, and
The Jolteon.
Oh yeah, the Jolteon and the Articuno.
Gotcha.
actually. This thing, birdie. Oh, full art! Let's go!
Who is that? That is our girl. Her name is Avery.
Avery, full art trainer card. Let's go. It's not Karen.
It's not Karen.
It's not Karen.
No.
But that's all right. I'll take it. I'd love to see a rainbow card.
That would be cool too.
That's the normal Avery.
All right, there's a normal Avery.
Yeah.
It's a girl. Look at the hair. Super long.
Okay.
It's a girl.
I'll give you a pass.
Meltan.
Ooh,
Pedro. Holographic.
3 cards to go.
6 packs to go.
Or, sorry, 3 packs each to go. Trainer. Let's move that. Tentacool. This thing. Ooh, and we got another holo. We've seen this. I think we have this one already. Sunkern, Diglett. Ooh, we got another holo doggo.
Hello, doggo. Hello, doggo. What? I'm just in like a singing mood today. Don't mind me.
Good luck, good luck.
Good luck, good luck. I got it. Ooh.
Get us that Galarian, Moltres, alt full art. Yep.
Here it goes. All right, some kind of like chest plate trainer. Farfetched. Carvana. Something I can't remember. And Blaziken, other art. That's the other art. So we have like both Blaziken arts now.
Yep.
So we have both versions.
Awesome. Last pack magic for me.
Last pack magic for you.
Yeah. All right.
Can I get a top loader?
That's not a top loader card.
Oh.
All right, here we go. All right. Last pack magic, guys, for me. Here we go. Something, birdie. And my last card of the video. Here we go.
All right, Karen, up in here. Or the Galarian Moltres is what we want. Oh, that's the red one that goes like.
Or the golden Snorlax.
Oh, or the golden Snorlax would be cool too. Well, the pack opened very nicely for me.
Here we go. Last pack.
Last pack magic. All right, let's do our magic. You ready? Okay.
You put some extra on that.
I
Put
did.
a little bit of extra magic there.
All right, let's see what we got
Here
here.
we go.
All right, we got trainer thing, some dog, something.
Biology class.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's go over what we have.
Yeah, let's do a quick little recap on our hits. You want to start with just our hollows?
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
So Team A, you can go first.
Team A got a Beedrill, a girl thing. Oh, y'all can't even see that.
Nope, you're gonna have to
All right.
hold it up. Yep.
A Beedrill, a girl thing, and this
Dog
thing.
Team B got this doggo hollow, this doggo hollow, this girlo hollow, and this fishy hollow, and then this thunderous hollow.
All right. Team A, Blaziken, one of the arts.
V.
V.
Yeah.
Moltres.
Galarian.
Beautiful V. And then we got the Slow King V Max. Let's go. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all you got? All right. And then Team B finishing it off obviously with the win. We got the Articuno
whatever.
V, the Zapdos / Jolteon V, the Blaziken V Max, and the Avery Trainer Full Art.
That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go down to the comment section below and let me know what you guys thought of this product. Was it good? Was it not? I thought it was awesome. I really enjoyed this.
The box was super cool. I loved it. I definitely love the art in the Japanese. I also love the gray boulders. I think that's really neat. Something different that they bring to the table.
Something we're just not used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was great. All right, guys, and while you're down in that comment section, don't forget to smash that like button. And also, the 100 subscriber giveaway is ongoing. Once we get to 100 subscribers, we'll be giving away some products. So make sure to subscribe. Don't miss out on that. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Peace.